6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Again, right 6 short into left 5 short. 40, stay right over crest into left 3 minus long. Again, left 3 minus. Into right 3 minus. Into left 3. Into right 3 minus into bump. Again, into bump. 40.
Is it?
Left 5 short over crest. Into right 5 short. Right 6 short. 50. Left 5 minus long over small crest. Into right 4. Again, right 4. Into left 5 minus over crest. And right 6. Again, right 6. Opens and tightens 5 short. Again, tightens 5 short. Into left 6. 80. Care. Left 5 over crest. Into right 5 minus. 50. Right 5 plus. Again, right 5 plus. 60. Left 6 minus. 160. End of 160 is left 6. 100. Caution. Big crest, left 6. Again, caution. Big crest, left 6. 30. Brake right 4. Again, brake right 4. Into left 3. Opens. Again, left 3. Opens. And right 3 into left 2. Again, right 3. Into left 2. Into right 3. 140. End of 140 is right 3 plus long. Again, right 3 plus long into left 3. Again, left 3, very long. 60. Left 5. 40, right 5 plus. 120. Right 5 minus. Again, right 5 minus. 30. Left 6 minus, very long. Again, left 6 minus, very long. Into right 5 plus. Again, right 5 plus. 50. Right 5 minus over crest. 60. Right 6 short into left 5 short. Again, left 5 short into right 6 short over cattle guard. 60. Left 6. Opens long. And tightens 6 very long over skew crest. Again, tightens 6 over skew crest. And opens and tightens 5 plus very long. Again, tightens 5 plus very long. And opens very long. 50. Right 6 short over cattle guard. Again, right 6 short over cattle guard. 60. Right 6 plus over small crest. Into stay left over crest. 160. Left 6 over crest. 140. Double caution, right 5 over jump. Again, 140. Here's your double caution, right 5 over jump. 120. Left 5 minus over crest. Again, left 5 minus over crest. Into right 6. 50. Left 6 minus long, opens. 50. Right 5. Again, right 5, 200. Right 6 plus long. Into care, kink. Into cattle guard. Again, kink into cattle guard, into right 5, tightens 4 plus. Again, tightens 4 plus. Job done.
That was kind of fun.
Yeah, it felt like you were just loving it, so to speak.
Damn, I wish I hit that jump, that turnover jump a
Yeah.
little quicker. Would have been really sick.